again Dow and Nasdaq both trading with a drop. What is going to happen today? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. My next video on Dow Jones and Nasdaq will be up before the US cash session, so do press the bell icon. Let's start the day with Nasdaq 100. Now this is the 2-hour chart for Nasdaq 100, and if you connect the dots here, there are going to be multiple support levels on the downside. First thing is I'll be looking forward for it to get some support at 12,250 levels, because this is the drop which we had seen earlier. Also this is the, yes, this is the zone between 12,100 to 200. Breaking 12,100, one can definitely expect that it is going to break sharply and we can see a sharper drop on Nasdaq 100. Now on the 2-hour charts, one must see that this is the reversal here which we have seen. Also it has filled the gap here, so I will not be considering this as a bearish move, because this is just a gap filling exercise, can be considered till it is about 12,300 and 12,250 levels. Once it breaks below 12,250, yes, you can consider this as bearish. Then the target is towards 12,100, 12,050, and then below that 11,900, 11,800 levels. Now look at the directional movement on the 2-hour charts. It is trying to converge and cross over on a bearish side. Also the stochastic was overbought. It is trying to look forward to a drop, and the MACD was extremely divergent. It is trying to converge and give you some red candles. RSI was also near to overbought levels. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, this is the second consecutive red candle, and yes, any possible long entry is can be seen here at around 12,350 levels. Once it breaks past, rather I will say 12,370, once it breaks past 12,370, yes, you can go long for 12,500. See, 12,500 is definitely a stronger resistance, and 12,600, these two levels are something which one should watch out for. Else it is looking forward to this destination 12,100, probably it can come back to these levels, 12,100 levels. So below 12,250, one can go short for 12,100, and below that we may see it breaking sharply. And look at the directional movement is still green, trying to converge. Stochastic looking forward to a drop. It was trading overbought here. MACD is trying to converge, and the peak has been done, and RSI looking downwards from here. If you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour charts, you will find that this is trying to see. Now look at the 4-hour chart. See, this has come back to this pivot at around 12,300. This has also filled the gap out there which was generated due to the gap, little gap up there. So I think I will be watchful of 12,300, how it behaves at around 12,300. Once it breaks below 12,300, my next target is 12,250, 12,200 and 12,100 levels. It can come back till 12,100, very strong support zone, and below 12,100 it will give you a sharper break which will try to, one can remain bearish below 12,100 for the week. One can expect 11,900, 11,700 and below levels also. Now look at the directional movement is bullish, but it is trying to converge and crossover. Look at the stochastic, this was extremely overbought, now looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge and crossover on the sell side. RSI is looking downwards. If you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts similarly, the retracement has been done, the highs have been achieved, and probably now it is looking forward to a drop. So even if you consider this as a channel, it is looking forward to come back till towards 12,000 levels, and that may happen today itself. 11,950, 12,000 levels that can be achieved even today itself, and in fact if it breaks below 11,950, one can expect that a sharper drop till 11,500 cannot be denied. Now look at the directional movement is bearish, it is widening from here, you can see. And if you look at the stochastic, this was trying to get into overbought levels. It is not yet overbought, there is a variance, there is a gap, still not much room for it to trade bullish is there. And MACD is trying to cross over, this is just on the verge of a crossover. So only bullishness in Nasdaq 100 is about 12,500. Beyond 12,500, one can expect that it is going to fly high. Below 12,300, I will be looking forward to another 50 points at 12,250. Then below that it will try to hit 12,150 and 12,100 levels, which are very strong support levels. 12,100 going to remain a very strong support for Nasdaq 100 for any further drop. Breaking 12,100, it will definitely try to hit 11,950, 900 zone, and below that we may see a stronger fall till towards 11,700, 500 levels. If not today, then tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then couple of days, but we may see a stronger drop below these levels. Take your positions accordingly. Only long entries above 12,500. As I told in my weekly analysis, also 12,500 and 12,600, these two levels are something we should watch out for Nasdaq 100. Only breaking and sustaining above this, one can expect that it is going to fly high till towards 12,800 and a drop can be expected from there too. I am bearish and a drop has to be certain, but let's see. And if you look at US30, now let me take you towards the charts for US30. What does the charts for US30 are saying? US30 trading at 32,020 level. Now look at the 2-hour chart. Similarly, it is trying to give you this channel. It is trying to trade in this channel, and only if it breaks past this zone at 32,300, here you can go long at 32,300. Then you can expect again a rise till towards 32,400 and 500 levels. Also look at this on the 2-hour charts. It is trying to give you lower highs and it is trying to give you lower lows. A possible drop from here will definitely try to break it towards 31,950, which is going to be at the 20 period moving average, and then 31,800 levels can be seen here on US30. There is a crossover, bearish crossover, which is going to be observed here on the 2-hour charts. Also look at the stochastic. This was overbought, looking downwards from here. And if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge and crossover. RSI is also looking downwards from here. If you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly it is trying to trade in this channel, and one can observe that lower highs are being seen here, and there is a resistance at 32,300 for sure. Now is this the time for it to give you lower lows? Possibly it can try to drop sharply below 31,800. Once it breaks past 31,800, there could be a sharper drop till towards 31,400 and below levels. Now look at the directional movement is bearish. It is still trading with a bearish bias, and stochastic was overbought, looking forward to a drop from there. Probably MACD trying to converge and crossover on the sell side. RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the observation. Here one can see that there is a stronger support here at 31,900, and breaking below 31,900, one can expect that it is going to break till towards 31,700, and below that we may see a sharper drop. Look at this, the channel highs are being done, possibly beyond 32,300 only one can go long. Only once it trades below 32,300, I'll recommend you to go long. Look at the directional movement is bearish. Look at the stochastic. This was overbought, looking downwards from here. And if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge and crossover again. Probably a convergence may take a little time, and RSI is again vertically looking downwards from here. Now coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, yes, here it is, higher highs have been done, all three aligned. Now it is looking forward to come back till towards 31,700 possibly. So I'll be watchful of 31,700, 32,300. It can try to show you swing. Below 31,700, probably we may see a sharper drop, which will try to take it towards 31,400 and 31,200 levels. MACD directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking upwards on the daily charts. And if you look at the MACD is again trying to converge and crossover, and RSI is again looking downwards from here. So yes, still there could be little swings here. Only short entry is below 31,900. Now already it is trading at 31,960. I'll recommend you to go short at 31,900. Also, just one more point I would like to add here is at 3-hour charts, you'll see this is the second red candle. The first red candle, second red candle. So yes, a long entry can be taken at 100 levels, 32,120 I will say. Beyond that it will try to reverse, but till the time it trades below 32,120, possibly we may see fewer red candles back to back, which might try to take it towards 31,800 and 31,700 levels. For the day, one can go short at 31,900 here, and one can expect that once it trades below 31,900, my target is towards 31,700 and below levels. And yes, a reversal from 31,700 till towards 32,000 levels cannot be denied. Only long entry is above 32,120 levels, remember. Beyond that, one can expect 32,250, 32,300 levels, and 32,400 cannot be denied. These levels can be seen if it tries to reverse from these levels. Yes, there could be swings, and because the volatility is high, we can see swings. However, right now it appears to be trading in a bearish bias. Go short at 31,900, go long above 32,100 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.